Hello, everybody. I wanted to share with you my Thanksgiving cactus because this is not a Christmas cactus. I think this one is the highlighted pink reddish. I'm not sure what to call it. This one is supposed to be the white one. And as you can see, it's very upset compared to how it used to look before because I changed its location. So what I've learned is do not change its location. It will get upset on you. It took a while to start blooming, this one, because these ones were upstairs. Because of my lack of watering, they started to fall off the leaves, and you can see the garbage there. That is all dried leaves. I really did not water them how they're supposed to be watered. So I'm going to keep them downstairs because I can pay more attention to them downstairs than upstairs. And it was happy and it was full, this one, when it was downstairs. Now look how much is gone. It used to be full. In here it's empty in the middle. It's looking, and this side is empty. It's looking sad. And this one I didn't take out all the leaves, which I can show you how it looks like. I'm not sure. I don't think it was infested with anything, even though I thought that was a millibug. But anyways, I'm going to pick everything up and I will be paying attention, a close-up eye on these ones. So what I want to do is put them all in one pot instead, or should I not? I don't know what to do really. I think I'm going to just repot them, put new soil. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just take out all that old soil away from them because it's been there quite a long time with that soil, maybe more than 3 years. I think it's time for them to get a new, fresh, full of minerals, full of vitamins, the soil they need. Okay, let me start replanting them and taking all its dry leaves. Okay, I'm almost done with this one. Just picking out the dry leaves that are on the top of them, like this one perhaps. I think I'm done. Maybe this one too. This one is dried. This happens because of the lack of watering. I had this soil really dry. So what I did is I saved some that are still good and have a little bit of root. This one is a white one, so I saved it and it had root in it. See the roots? It has roots, so I'm going to plant it. All right, so I took out the plants from the pot. Those are just the two of them. You can see it doesn't really root that much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two in one pot, and this one I'll just leave it in the same pot, but I will change the soil. So I'm going to see if I can find, although the pot is big enough for both of them, so I'm going to put it in that pot with new soil, of course. And you can see that there's new growth growing on some of them. Even this one has new growth on it. My plant is yelling. Yes, it's screaming at me. I put water yesterday, so the soil is kind of moist now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these two together and I'm going to just put new soil on this one, and I will be back. I won't bore you to death on the process on putting new soil because anybody knows us. That's why I'm just explaining it to you. All right, so this is the big one, the bigger than the other ones. But as you can see, what I'm saying is that they don't root like an extreme amount. So it's not root bound. There's nothing like that. It's just my watering problems here. It has no insects, no plagues or whatever you want to call them, millibugs or scale or whatever. All right, so as you can see, it's not really that much roots. I took as much soil as I could, and the soil seems to be still good. So I'm going to throw this soil in my beds so nothing goes to waste here. I already put new soil here, and I'm going to put back the plant on top of that new soil and refill all around again. Make it look nice again and put it back where it was from the beginning before I changed it, to see if it gets more better and if it forgives me for moving it. All right, so I'm done. I put new soil, so hopefully it will look better. I hope it gets more leaves and it grows more luscious and beautiful. I put two in this one, and I put the bigger one same place, just new soil. So I'm gonna leave it downstairs and see what happens. Hopefully they get well. I never had issues with it before when I had it downstairs. All right, my friends, I hope it wasn't a long video. I just wanted to share with you how I'm repotting my cactus after so many years. This one is like 4 years, and this one probably 2 years. I like to change my soil every 2 to 3 years. If not, then I have to be using fertilizer. What I do, instead of buying them, I just use whatever vegetables I boil or cheese, coffee, whatever, I throw them in the soil. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.